Start by creating a new configuration file and add a file trigger to this empty configuration. It is always recommended to give the trigger a clear, meaningful name and description. Browse for and select the database text file that will be monitored for data to be printed. Navigate to the Actions tab and add the Open Label action and choose the target label that will be printed. To send the label to the printer and signal the print command, add the print label command. Set the number of labels to unlimited to print all the labels defined by the database defined in the label. At the end, save the automation configuration file. The process that runs and executes the triggers is a Windows service, which means it runs in the background without a user interface. Automation Manager is the management part of automation. It communicates with the service and allows you to deploy triggers, start or stop them, and log printing activity for monitoring. To deploy the configuration, navigate to the Configuration Items tab and click on the Deploy Configuration button. This will launch the Automation Manager and deploy the configuration to the service. The trigger will be deployed but not started. To start monitoring the file, click on the Start button. The color will change to green to indicate that it's currently running. I will open the database file and manually add some records that will simulate a production environment. Saving the file will trigger the printing process in automation. The label will be sent to the printer and 8 labels will be printed. The counter is incremented to indicate that the trigger has been fired and processed. The log will also contain a description of the stages and events that were carried out.